Taylor should put her foot on my cooch. My cooch. Look. Taylor should put her foot on my cooter.
What's it? Water?
Huh?
I've never heard that before.
It's a fly.
Ow!
Look.
Stop, okay, for real, stop. Try to put your foot up there.
Put your feet on my bed.
English.
My teacher.
Taylor,
Put my hand down into
Taylor, for real, stop. What happened?
This hurts good.
Keeper. Taylor.
I'm about to die.
What time is it?
Taylor, I just want to shot something. Look at that.
Look at them little gimpy legs.
Shut up.
No wonder you're short.
5'2" is not short. It's 5'2".
5'2" is not short, 5'2".
I said 5 short is not short. I mean. Do that again. Do that again. Well, I feel like psycho. Watch it again. Do it again for real. Do it. Do it. Do it. Wait, what did I just say? I said 5'2" is not short.
No, you said 5 short is not short.
5'2" is not
But
short.
5 short is not 5'2".
Oh.
Oh, she just elephant raped me.
What?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Caitlin, move. Oh, you always miss it. You always make me miss it, Caitlin. His head banging, I missed it because your head was in the way.
You didn't headbang.
He did.
It's the Taylor game. I'm gonna show you some tricks. Ready?